Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Hey guys, I'm Alratishan here, and this is my new course, the data structures and algorithms, and the second. This is the second episode, so second part two. So today we're going to discuss about the type of data structures. So in computer science or in any language, normally we are discussing about Python, but it's a basic format for any language. So in language, the data structures are normally classified into two types. The first one is primitive and the second one is non-primitive. So let's discuss about the primitive. So guys, the primitive data structure is classified into five: the integer, the float, character, string and boolean. The integer means the numbers without, not our, spelling mistake, numbers without a decimal point. Like the example will be 1 2, there is no decimal point there. So the next one is float. In some references the float is given as real, not the real number. In mathematics, real numbers, in all the numbers are real numbers, so not that. So this is a floating point data structure. So what it is, it will have a decimal point. That's the difference between float and integer. So next one is a character, single character, and normally it is given in a single course. No, we are not discussing it right now. So the next is string. It's just the father of character. So a bunch of characters, that's all, and normally shown in double quotes. We'll discuss it later. So the next is boolean. It's about the logical values, whether it is true or false. Usually used in some conditional statements, like this is false if there are some statements later. We will discuss it later. So that's about the primitive data structure. Let us discuss about the non-primitive ones. So the primitive one is predefined, means it is already there, the fundamental data type. So the non-primitive is the one created by the programmer. So it's artificial, not artificial. So everything is artificial here. So it's created by the programmer. And the non-primitive data structure is classified into two types: linear and non-linear. First we will discuss about non-linear. It is based on the arrangement of data. Actually, in the linear it is arranged in a sequential manner, and in the non-linear it is arranged in a hierarchical manner. So the example is tree and graph, and we will discuss it later in the future episodes. Okay. So and the linear one is divided into two types: static and dynamic. So what is static data structure? The data structure with fixed memory size. The example is an array. In any program, we just give the array a specific size, and the problem is there is some memory complexity. So in order to solve that, we have the dynamic data structures. So as a definition, we can say that dynamic data structure refers to a collection of data in memory that has a flexibility to grow or shrink in size, enabling a programmer to control exactly how much memory is utilized. So it's very efficient in the runtime. So we'll able to save a lot of memory there. That's why we have the dynamic data structure. So guys, that's it for today, and the next episode we will discuss about the types of algorithms. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. Keep watching my videos and please subscribe. Bye.